You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Welcome to Alabama, folks. Paulie here, and I'm in my little kitchen. Yeah, it's an apartment kitchen. Not really a beautiful sight. The stove here, I mean, it works. I gotta be grateful for that, right? But the stove here has got those mosquito coil burners, and it's got a exposed burner in the oven. But it did heat up to 425 degrees. And why is that? Because I'm going to make you a frozen pizza. We're going to do a review. My reviews are on the 5 pepperoni scale basis. You get 5 pepperonis, outstanding pizza. Let's take a look at what we're going to cook. Alright. Now, I've done Tombstone Pizza reviews before. Not really my favorite brand, but this one really caught my eye. It's a French fry style crust pizza. And the toppings, if you ask me, it's kind of like a cheeseburger theme. And I like my cheeseburgers. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh, before we do that, let's look at the instructions. Preheat oven to 425. Placed directly on lower oven rack position. Wow. Bake pizza for 20 to 22 minutes. We're going to do it for 21. Let me just get it open first. There we go. Yeah, small little kitchen here. Oh yeah. Let's get this in the oven. Bare on the bottom rack. Oh yes, contains a bioengineered food ingredient. At least they called it a food. So it's been about 19 minutes and I took a peek at this pizza. If you ask me, she done. So I'm gonna take it out. This is my current pizza peel. Yeah. She done. It's not a cheeseburger kind of pizza. It is a French fry chili cheese, kind of like French fries with chili cheese on top of it, I guess. And it does have hamburger, chili cheese, sauce, mozzarella, cheddar, red onion, parsley on a potato crust pizza. A potato crust pizza? Oh boy. I am intrigued, but I'm very pessimistic. Kind of paper thin, in keeping with the Tombstone brand. It's a potato crust. Yeah, you can see the red onion, the ground beef, some pepper. Yeah, hot. But I'll do this for you, the best subscribers on YouTube and Rumble. Yeah, it is like chili cheese fries. And it ain't bad, but it does not give me the satisfaction of eating a pizza. This thing's hot. I need to cool off my mouth. I did find a pop here in the local area at the gas station. Actually, I found it at Piggly Wiggly, the grocery store. Let's see what it is. It's Faygo Pop. They got Faygo here in this part of Alabama. So I do feel like this chili cheese fry pizza is kind of fun. It's not really in keeping with pizza, but it is fun and it does taste appropriate as named. I'm shocked by how I'm feeling about this one, and it's actually not too bad for what it is. On the 5 pepperoni scale rating, I'll give this pizza 2 pepperonis. Let's just say it's worth trying. How do you turn this oven off?